Welcome to my YouTube channel. This time we are going to learn how to create this incredible effect with Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. We remind you that the images used can be found in the video description. The first step will be to change the size of the image. For that we go to Image and then click on Image Size. Here we change the size by 2500 pixels wide by 2500 pixels high. Then we will filter, distort, and click on Polar Coordinates and apply the effect. Now we go back to Filter, Distort and click on Pinch and apply the value that is seen on the screen. Then with the Crop tool we reduce again the size of the image. Now with the Selection tool in a circular shape, we make a selection in the middle of the image. Then we are going to select, modify and click on Feather and apply a value of 15. Now we are going to filter, Blur Effect, click on Radial Blur and apply the effect. Now with Ctrl+J we duplicate the layer, and with the Clone Stamp tool, pressing the Alt key to select the reference areas, we fix the areas that are seen on the screen. With the Lasso tool, we select a part of the lower area and duplicate it to place it on the upper part as seen on the screen. Using the Eraser tool, we blur the outer areas. We go back to Filter, Distort and click again on Pinch and apply the value that is seen on the screen. With the Crop tool we reduce the size of the image again. Create a new layer, with the Selection tool create a circle and fill it with a light color. Then we go to Filter, Blur Effect and click on Gaussian Blur. Now with Ctrl plus the key and we join the two images. Then we go to the image of the hot air balloons and with the object selection tool we select the largest object. Now with Ctrl plus the C key we copy, and in the other image with Ctrl plus V we paste the image. With Ctrl plus T we adjust the image. We go back to the other image and copy the smaller objects by doing the same steps. We adjust the images to our tastes, and then we combine the images of the objects using Ctrl plus the E key. Now we go to Image and Adjustment, and click on Match Color and carry out the following steps. Then in the sky layer we modify the image with the Curves tool. We duplicate the layer and with Ctrl plus T we rotate the image and with the eraser tool we eliminate the areas shown on the screen. To finish we go to Filter and open the Raw Camera filter and perform the steps shown on the screen. Perfect. We have finished this effect. If you liked this video, leave us your like and subscribe to this channel where you can find more effects like this. Thanks for the support.